So the farmer wants to take a picture of his animals. But look at them. They're totally filthy. Could you help the farmer wash them up till they're all sparkly and clean? First, you need to match the animals to the tubs that are just the right size. Which tub is the right size for the sheep? Which tub is right for the hog?
Oink!
Which tub is just right for the chicken?
Beep, beep.
Everybody's got a tub that's just the right size. All right! Can you match the animals to the pails of water that are just the right size? Which pail is just right for the sheep? Which pail of water is right for the hog?
Oink!
Which pail is right for the chicken?
Beep, beep.
Everybody has just the right amount of water. All right! Now match the animals to the soap that's just the right size. Which soap is right for the sheep? I bet you... Which soap is right for the hog?
Oink!
Which soap is just right for the chicken?
Beep.
Everybody has just the right amount of soap. Yes! Woohoo! You did it! You helped the farmer scrub-a-dub-dub the animals so they are all clean and cute and cuddly. Just in time to have their picture taken. Smile! Want to help the farmer clean up the animals again?